I'm Armand Abbasi.
I'm Diego Montana. I'm Conrad Stemler.
And I'm John Gerbing.
And this is Nature Portrayed by a Computer.
Disclaimer. This poem was written by a poem generator, but we edited to make it understandable.
All that is active is not the countryside, for the countryside, by all account, is quiet. Down, 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 into the darkness of the countryside. Gently it goes, the peaceful, the muted, the soundless. The cunning aspect sings like a physical examination. Roar, roar, roar.
When I think of crooked cottonwoods, I see a respectful responsibility. Waffle. 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 I cannot help but stop and look at the sparkly spiders. Are you upset by how snazzy they are? Does it tear you apart to see the spiders so special? One afternoon I said to myself, why aren't red rose bushes more fernless? Red rose bushes are breaky. Red rose bushes are ferned. Red rose bushes are fern-like, however. I cannot help but stop and look at the zany old oaks. Do the old oaks make you shiver? Do they?
Pay attention to the proper planting. The proper planting is the most scrumptious agriculture of all. Never forget the delicious and tasteful proper planting. Stunted shrubs will always be dead. Do stunted shrubs make you shiver? Do they? Smaller sunflowers, however hard they try, will always be miniature. Now little is just the thing to get me wondering if smaller sunflowers are small. Zany, lovely lilies sing like a scented bacteria. Are you upset by how unreasonable they are? Does it tear you apart to see the lovely lilies so wacky?
My hip nature, you inspire me to write. I love the way you sleep, sneer, and exist, invading my mind day and through the night, always dreaming about the flip sick list. How do I love you? Let me count the ways. I love your sharp birds, grass, and trees. Thinking of your bruising grass fills my days. My love for you is the loose bees. Fat, giant poppies sing like scented water. Grr, grr, grr. I cannot help but stop and look at fresh, damp daffodils. Never forget the overbold and wet, damp daffodils.
I saw the sheer electronic equipment of my generation destroyed. How I mourn the scope. Are you upset by how bluff it is? Does it tear you apart to see the scope so gauzy? How happy is the zany element? Jingle, 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 jingle. Don't believe the wild is big, the wild is little beyond belief. Now teensy is just the thing to get me wondering if the wild is miserly. Pay attention to the ecology. The ecology is the most natural biological aspect of all. Never forget the affected and uncontrived ecology.
Just like nature is an aphid. Amazing, awesome, active aphids. Waffle.